Hello my welcome back to my channel. So as you guys are down below, in today's YouTube video I'm going to be doing a school supply shopping video and a haul at the end, and I'm taking you guys with me to go shopping. So yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to get a post notification shout out from me. All you have to do is like, subscribe, hit the bell and comment done when you're done. I will be doing a post notification shout out at the end of today's video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to be going to Walmart to do some school supply shopping, and basically you guys are gonna come with me, yeah, and then I'll show you guys what I got at the end, basically. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting on my mom to give me a call to say, meet me at the mall, because I'm waiting on her because she's on the road, but I'm not on the road. I'm at home, obviously. But yeah, so I see you guys when I'm at Walmart. I'm heading out. I'm going to Walmart to get my school supplies. My mother, she's too lazy to come with me. But yeah, and don't mind my hair. I have a scarf on because I'm taking these out. So yeah, see you guys when I get to Walmart. I'm in Walmart. I'm on the phone with my best friend. But say it again.
Hey Liana, welcome to her channel.
Yeah, that part. So right now,
Let's see. From JA, sending greetings, continue liking, subscribing, and dropping your comments. Okay?
that part.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo! Let's get it.
Alright, no.
All
Alright, so I'm just gonna pick some stuff up. I don't really need that much stuff, so I'm just picking some. Teva? I'm just picking some stuff up because I don't really need that much stuff. As I said before, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I picked up when I'm home. I'm looking for mechanical pencils. Should I buy a ruler? I'll be back, guys. Just watch me pick up some stuff. Okay, hey guys, so basically I'm outside because my mother is making the most noise inside talking to my aunt, but I'm just going to show you guys everything that I purchased today. It was not a lot of stuff because I already had folders. I had 2 folders, and I was looking for a folder, actually, the one with pockets though, because none of my folders have pockets and I couldn't find any. But I already had folders, erasers and stuff like that, so I just bought like extra stuff basically. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are these 2 packs of pens. There are 4 pens, so in each pack, so 8 in total, and they're big, the brand Big, blue and black, and it has the grip thing right there, which I really love because I don't really like pens that don't have grips. And the size is the size 1.0. So yeah, alright, then I have some mechanical pencils. I have mechanical pencils already, so I don't know when I'm going to use this pack, but it's 5 in the pack, and they're just regular lead mechanical pencils. So yeah, as I said before, I already have mechanical pencils, but I still have to stock up on these because they just disappear for no reason. Next I have these lead pencils, and I bought them because of the color. I really hope that they're good though. But yeah, it has like 3 of each color, and they have silver, pink, blue and gold. It's super cute, super cute. So yeah, that's that. Alright, this is the only thing I bought from the dollar store. I need some dividers, and these are them. It was for $125, as you guys can see right there. There are 5 in the pack, and the reason why I bought these, like, first of all, it has this cute pastel color. Like, let me just show you guys. Like, they're like pastel colors, so it's like blue, and they have a lime green, and then they have like pink, yellow, and then they have this cute pastel purple. I think that's very, very cute. And I have a pink folder and a black folder, so these colors can go with any one of those. Yeah. Next, I just have 2 Hilroy notebooks, 200 sheets in each. I just picked random colors. Last year I did like a whole color scheme or whatever, which was like purple. Now I'm just picking random colors. I don't really even care at this point in time. I mean, school is just school. So I have this one and this one, and I don't say which ruled. Like, I guess it's college ruled. I don't think this is wide ruled. But I mean, paper is paper, man. Paper is just paper. As long as the pen ink shows on it, I am quite fine. And I just got 1 pack of paper because I already had paper from last year. Remember the whole corona thing was happening, so like, you know, I basically never use all my school supplies. So I just got some extra paper, and this has 200 papers in there. And it's just very self-explanatory. Like, this is just paper. I usually buy the ones with the like the protectors right there, but I didn't see it, or probably I just wasn't looking properly, because I just really wanted to like come home when I was out there. So yeah, it's time for the post notification shout out. Let me just pick somebody real quick. Okay, so today's post notification shout out winner is TPS World. Hey girl, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. So you get a shout out. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting me as well. I went on my YouTube analytics yesterday, and I saw that people from Russia and the Ukraine watch me, so I'm very you know the vibe. Like, I'm just very happy that, you know, a lot of people have been supporting me and stuff like that. I can't wait to continue my YouTube journey. And yeah, so thanks to everyone who has been supporting. Yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video. I mean, it was just a little, you know, a little splat. It's nothing big, you know. But yeah, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. I got something on the way for you guys. Another just but yeah, so yeah, this is the end of this video, guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.